It's your boy. That boy can cook. In the place, in your face. And today we're gonna do a real quick and simple recipe. Cilantro lime rice. I got it going with another recipe I'm making. Make sure y'all stay tuned for that. So that's what we're making today. Real quick and simple, homemade cilantro lime rice. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing when we do it. Now let's get to the cilantro lime rice. Ingredients run down real quick. I have 2.5 tablespoons of lime juice. I have 1/2 lime zest. I have 2.5 tablespoons to 3 of chopped cilantro. I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I have 1 teaspoon of sea salt. And we have a 1.5 cups of rice. And we're gonna need 2 4th cups of water. Let's get it started. First thing we're gonna do, let's heat our olive oil up. Let's just get that heated. Get that all around the saucepan. Alright. Now I'm gonna toast our rice. This is going to help with our flavor. So let's just get our rice toasted. Right, family, I don't know if you guys can see, but our rice is starting to brown. We're just gonna let it brown just a little bit more. We'll toast it a little bit more. Let's get the rice off the edges here. Just like that. Very simple, very delicious. So yeah, there we go. That's what we want. Our rice is toasted. Okay. Alright, now our rice is exactly where we want it. Let's see if I can let you guys see. There it is. We got our toasted rice. Now let's add our 2 and 1/4 cup of water. Let's just give it a stir real quick. There we go. Right. Now let's get our salt in here. Stir that in. And let's get our lime zest in. There we go. All right, everybody, we're going to bring this to a boil. We're going to cover it. And we're going to let it cook for 15 minutes. So we're just letting it boil, build up. Once it starts boiling, we're going to turn down the heat to medium low. All right, everybody, as you can see, it's boiling. I'm pretty sure our rice is done. Most definitely. I turned the heat off. Let's just turn it this way. I don't see any more water. So we're all good. Let's remove this from the heat. We're gonna allow it to set for 10 minutes. Our rice have cooled. Now let's just fluff it. There we go. We're just gonna fluff it with a fork, like such. There we go. Look at that. All right. Now for the good part. Let's do our lime juice. There we go. Cilantro. There it is. There it is. All right. Let's just get this folded in here. There we go. And that's it to it, y'all. That is it to it. Great tasting, quick and easy. There you go, y'all. Cilantro lime rice. Pow, that boy can cook, y'all. Right now, family, there it is. It's that cilantro lime rice. Homemade. Better than Chipotle, y'all. I guarantee. Let's see what it do. Let's see what it do. Look how fluffy that rice is. Look at that. Not sticky. Get the hint of lime from the lime zest. And the cilantro. Look at that. There it is. Don't forget, everybody, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. Until the next time, that boy can cook. Out the place, out your face, I'm gone.